In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a folder in Notion. Welcome back, and thank you for being here. In this tutorial, I will show you a simple and practical way to organize your pages in Notion by creating folders. This is perfect if you have multiple pages and subpages and want to keep everything neat, easy to access, and visually organized. By the end of this video, you will know how to group pages together so that your workspace feels more structured and professional. To get started, open your Notion workspace and navigate to the main page where you want to create your folder. Think of this page as the main container or directory for the pages you want to organize. If you already have subpages inside this main page, that's even better, because it gives you examples to work with as you create your folders. Now, to create a folder-like structure, the process is very intuitive. Look at the pages under your main page. On the left side of the main page, you will see a small drop-down arrow or icon. When you click this icon, it collapses or hides the subpages, giving the appearance of a folder. This is exactly what makes it easier to keep your workspace tidy, especially when you have many subpages. If you want to create a subfolder inside your main folder, it is as simple as dragging and dropping. Take any page or subpage you want to group together and drag it onto the main page or onto another subpage that will serve as your folder. As soon as you drop it, Notion automatically nests that page inside the other page, effectively hiding it until the drop-down arrow is clicked. This action instantly organizes your content, creating a visual hierarchy that is clean and easy to navigate. This method works seamlessly whether you have a few pages or dozens of subpages. By nesting pages, you can create multiple layers of organization, giving your workspace a clear structure similar to a digital filing cabinet. You can collapse or expand these folders at any time, making it easy to focus on the pages you are actively working on while keeping everything else out of sight. Using this technique regularly helps prevent clutter, improves navigation, and makes your Notion pages much more user-friendly. It also allows you to prioritize important content while keeping less frequently used pages tucked away. With just a few clicks and some simple dragging, you can transform a messy list of pages into a well-organized workspace. Creating folders in Notion is quick, intuitive, and makes your digital environment much more efficient. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.